What's up everybody, I'm excited to welcome you to our YouTube channel. I'm an auto tech enthusiast in all types of engines and cars is our main business. I'm passionate about creating awesome auto and mechanics content. I also love helping others get new skills in the auto tech world. On today's video, we will be speaking about lead-acid batteries, where we will all witness the repair of battery terminals and bring back to life a faulty battery. These magic skills can help you save a lot of money on new unnecessary lead-acid battery purchases. Sit back, get some coffee and relax as we take you through the process of changing a Group 24 lead-acid battery terminal. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. We post videos every day in long and short content.
이라고도